आज की इस क्लास में हम पर्सन और उसके साथ आने वाले हेल्पिंग वर्ब को देखेंगे। अक्सर बच्चे कंफ्यूज होते हैं, कहाँ पे इज, कहाँ पे आर, कहाँ पे वाज, कहाँ पे वर, कहाँ पे डू, कहाँ पे डज, कहाँ पे हैज, कहाँ पे हैव। ये सारे कंफ्यूजन आज की क्लासेस में हमेशा हमेशा के लिए आपका दूर हो जाएगा। बने रहिए इस वीडियो में अंत तक और आप लाइफ लॉन्ग इसे कभी नहीं भूलेंगे। चलिए देखते हैं। पर्सन, फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन एंड थर्ड पर्सन। फर्स्ट पर्सन, द पर्सन हु स्पीक्स इज द फर्स्ट पर्सन। मैं बोल रहा हूं, बोलने वाला पर्सन जो फर्स्ट पर्सन होता है। द सेकेंड पर्सन विथ हुम आई टॉक, जिससे मैं बात कर रहा, विथ हुम आई स्पीक, दैट पर्सन इज द सेकेंड पर्सन, यू। एंड द थर्ड, अबाउट हुम वी टॉक, द रेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, ही, शी, इट, एनी नेम, these are the third person. The first person singular number we have I, and the plural of I we have we, and the second person singular we have you, and second person plural we have same. You we use as a singular, as a plural. And we have a third person singular number, we have he, she, it or any name. The plural of that we have they. Now we will see one by one how we use helping verb with these all pronoun. See, first of all we will see do and does. We use do with first person singular number with I. We use do with we use do with you in both condition, singular and plural. And third person singular number we use here does, and third person plural number we use do. Now we see here only third person singular number takes does, otherwise everywhere we use do. Now see did. In past form, in every pronoun we use did, whether this or this, here and here. Everywhere in past form we use did. Then later we have where we use is, am, are. As we know, with I we always use am. With we use are. With you in both condition we use are, whether singular or plural. For third person singular number he, she, it or any name always takes is. He is, she is, it is, Ram is. With the they we use are. We find here only with is used only with the third person singular number he, she, it or any name. Otherwise with I, everybody know we use am, I am, and all of rest takes are. Now comes this is used present continuous. These all helping were used in present continuous. When we study tense, then we will see. Now second we have was and were. We use was with I. We use were with we. We use were in both conditions. Basically you is used as a singular and plural, but both condition helping verb always used plural. With third person singular number we use was. For third person plural number we use were. Next we have has and have. We sometimes we get confused. अक्सर बच्चे confused होते हैं, कहाँ पे has लगाऊं, कहाँ पे have लगाऊं. For that I will tell you only the third person singular number takes has. Rest of all we use have. I have, we have, you have, they have. Only we use third person with third person singular number he, she, it or any name with has. He has, she has, it has, Ram has. Otherwise we use I have, we have, you have, they have. Now this is used as a past intense we studied. Had is used for everywhere, whether like did. We use had with I, we use had with we use had with you in both conditions. We use had with third person singular number, and we use had with they. Now by this we can understand helping verb how that is used with these all pronouns, especially in tenses we need these all things should be clear. Thank you.